I traveled through the United States in search of the most special koi ponds. In this video, I traveled to the Rocky Mountains, where I visit a state-of-the-art koi pond, equipped with the latest systems for crystal clear water and a healthy koi pond. Today I meet Shane, the builder, who gives us a tour. Today I'm with Shane from Art of the Yard. We are in Denver, Colorado. We have the Rocky Mountains on the back, and Shane built something really amazing. This is a perfect example of a water feature koi pond that has everything you need to have your koi healthy and of course your water quality. Shane is a full-service residential landscaping contractor, and with his team they specialize in custom-designed water features and professional koi ponds. Today he tells us more about this great project in Colorado Springs. So thank you first of all for having me here.
Yeah, thank you for coming out. Very excited.
Absolutely amazing.
Thank you so much. Yeah, so we built this one about 4 years back, and it was a previously built pond, had a lot of issues, a lot of nightmares, pea soup water. So we came in, cleaned everything up, started fresh, readjusted all the filtration, put in bottom drains, Oase drum filter. We've got an Ultima 2 filter, Atlantic skimmers, and it's kind of a mix of an eco-style pond and a dedicated koi pond. So you'll see we've got just liner on the bottom with the bottom drains, but a nice natural feel to it.
Hi, how are you? Ifo, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I just told you were up there, and I said this place is unreal. It's beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Well, thanks to Shane and his team at Art of the Yard. They turned it into a work of art.
Can't beat that view from the upper patio.
Really beautiful.
Well, thank you
so much for creating this.
Thank you for coming to visit us. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, so we've got a natural bridge coming across here. We did a dual waterfall on this one, so we've got a waterfall on both sides, and then we've got our main natural bridge here, and we laid 2 I-beams across here so we could lay these 2 8-foot stones across it.
Yeah, they're probably heavy.
Very heavy, yeah. So we craned everything in. All these big natural boulders we craned in.
So yeah, let's start with this water feature, because this is, or waterfall, I need to say waterfall. This is big. I mean, how many meters is it, or feet? Yeah, we say feet here in the US.
Yeah, so you're probably about 30 feet on this one. And then this one on the other side, this is a little bit smaller. We're probably about 25 feet on that waterfall there.
That's cool. What I love about this place is that you have actually multiple areas where you can enjoy. So you have this amazing fire pit with these nice chairs and couches. You have one there next to the big bear.
Yeah.
You have this couch, and of course the view from up here.
Yeah, and it's great because you come right out of this is the master bedroom up top here, so you come right out there in the morning. Yeah, and we always like to create spaces, spaces where you can sit and enjoy it, because that's what it's all about, is getting close to the fish, getting close to the pond and really enjoying it. So this is kind of the main entertaining area, and then across the way there, that round patio, we've got the, where you'd come have your morning coffee, have some wine at night, really relax and enjoy it.
Yeah. So we just spoke a little bit already about the bottom drains. So how many bottom drains are in there?
Yeah, so we've got 2 bottom drains. There's one on this side here, and then we've got one in this back corner. So we've got an Atlantic skimmer here, and you can kind of see that fake rock there. And then we've got one in this back corner as well.
Oh, now I see it. Yeah, that's covered up well.
Yeah, those fake rocks are great. They match
Awesome.
so well.
And we will talk about the koi at the end of the video, guys, so stay watching. So are these stones from the local area?
Yeah, so this is from a local quarry up in Loveland. And we brought these in. We set 2 big I-beams here, like I was saying, that we set those on. And then we've actually got heater coil underneath this, so all of this stays free of snow in the wintertime, so you can still enjoy it.
Yeah, that's something we didn't talk about, because you get quite harsh winters, I guess.
Yeah,
I mean, I still see some snow on the top of the mountains.
Right. Yeah, so we get a fair amount of snow down here. So yeah, it's important, and they want to really enjoy this year round. We've got the heated area up top here, but this whole main patio and the bridge is got that heat coil, so it keeps snow free.
How many pounds of rock did you use for this project?
A lot. We've probably got close to 100 tons in this whole project.
Wow. And you had to get it all up here.
Yeah, all up here. Yeah, this big boulder here, that was probably 5-ton stone there.
We got the birds that have their feeding station here. And I was filming just a couple of minutes ago some B-roll shots, and there were like 2 birds on here eating, and the environment is really nice. So what can you tell me about this one?
Yeah, so all our filtration is actually tucked right in behind this waterfall here. And the Profi Clear, we've got it, and it actually feeds in right about halfway down the waterfall here. So we've got our skimmer pump goes to the top here, and then our inline pump with our bottom drains goes to the Profi Clear. So that way, when we shut that down in the winter, we could still run the filtration in the waterfalls on this side. And then we cut off the bottom drains. Because of the cold winters here, you don't want to pull that warm water off the bottom of the pond. We want to pull everything from the skimmers.
Yeah. Actually, so how deep is the pond?
It's about 4.5, 5 feet deep.
And then if we talk about gallons?
Yeah, you're probably, I think we were about 12,000 gallons on this one.
So yeah, let's talk about the koi, because I've seen some pretty nice ones in there. Can you catch up, Sevi, with all the stones and different elevations? Please don't fall.
A lot of obstacles.
I don't want to have problems with Hunter.
I think she said there's about 23 koi in here. And we've got a big fish cave that goes all the way back to the wall here. And then there's another fish cave back in this corner of the pond here, just to keep away from predators and things like that.
So what kind of predators do you have here?
Great blue heron and raccoons are our two biggest issues here.
And I think also in winter time they probably have a nice place to hide.
Yep.
And
yeah,
love it.
To hide and hibernate.
Oh, actually there is just that one went in there.
Yeah.
I think it was
amazing. When I walked up, that fish cave is so big, all of the koi were able to go in there.
That's cool. But the fish are not scared. That's the first thing that I was noticing. They are looking healthy, I've said it before, but they're not hiding, they're just swimming around. And what I also like is there's a lot of current in the pond, which is good for the fish and actually also to get some of the dirt into the right direction.
Exactly, yeah. And that was the biggest problem with the previous pond. The circulation just wasn't good. So we added a jet, and you can see the current coming from it here.
Yes.
And then there's another jet tucked in behind this plant here, so you can see everything kind of flows this way. So we wanted to push everything around, push this one to that skimmer, push all the debris here to that skimmer, so everything gets cycled through and gets filtered.
And do you know what the turnover is in gallons per hour?
We've got about 20,000 gallons per hour moving.
That's a lot, so that's almost twice the size of the pond. That's actually good, and it's going all through the filtration system and the pumps and the natural water features.
We always try to put double the amount of water through the filtration. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for showing us this water feature. Guys, we are going to visit a couple of more ponds. Before you go to the next video, go check out this video. Only 60% of you, 62% are subscribed. Please subscribe to the channel. If you are watching this video, if you appreciate these videos, like it. Go check out Shane's website if you're from around here and you want to have something like this, because this is a little paradise.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next episode.